In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clockify with Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your time tracking process across these platforms, you've come to the right place. We'll walk you through the steps to make sure everything is set up perfectly for your workflow. First things first, you'll need to install the Clockify extension on your browser. Depending on what you're using, you can install the Clockify Chrome extension if you're on Chrome, or the Clockify Firefox add-on for Firefox users. Once you've installed the extension, you'll notice a new Clockify icon appear in your browser toolbar. That means you're ready to go. Next, let's get you logged into Clockify. Click on the Clockify icon you just installed. If you already have a Clockify account, simply log in. If not, no worries, you can create a free account right there. The process is straightforward and should only take a minute, getting you one step closer to integrating with Monday.com. Now that you're logged in, the third step is to enable the Monday.com integration. Once more, click on the Clockify extension icon in your toolbar. Navigate to Settings, then head over to the Integrations tab. Here, you'll scroll down until you find Monday.com in the list of available integrations. Make sure it's enabled and you're on your way. With that enabled, let's open up Monday.com. In your workspace, select any board or task that you want to work on. You'll notice something new has appeared, a Start Timer button located right next to items or updates on your boards. This is your key feature that links Clockify and Monday.com together seamlessly. It's time to put this integration to work by starting to track your time. As you begin working on a specific task, simply click the Start Timer button. The timer will automatically begin running within Clockify, allowing you to pause or stop it at any time you need. All the time you track will be organized within your Clockify dashboard, categorized neatly by the task names from Monday.com. Finally, let's take a look at reviewing your time reports. Head over to your Clockify account and click on the Reports section. Here, you have various options to filter your data by project, user, or Monday.com task. This feature provides you with a comprehensive view of total hours worked, billable time, and much more, allowing you to review and analyze your productivity and team performance. And there you have it, a simple guide to integrating Clockify with Monday.com, making your time tracking efforts more efficient and centralized. This setup will help you keep meticulous track of your work hours while providing valuable insights into your project management routine. Thank you for joining me today, and happy